Txing Studio.
Hello my friends, welcome to txing Studio. I'm txing. Today's video is about the value of the electric fan not to oscillating. In fact, it is very simple to solve such a problem. You just follow the video step by step to solve this problem. If you happen to have the same problem, you can try our repair method. I believe it is directly effective way. But how to repair it? Let me show you. This is a common problem faced by electric fan maintenance. Because of the single price of the fan is not high, so may be embarrassed whether to fix it. If the fan doesn't oscillate like this, just replace one part. Usually only need to replace the oscillator to fix. Fix it just to solve the problem we are fixing now. Look at this. The fan will not oscillate, but the fan blades can operate normally. The current situation is that its blades will rotate but will not oscillate. Just take it apart and replace the oscillator. It should be completely repaired. Open the cover of the fan first. This step is very simple, just lose one screw. Now my finger is pointing to the capacitor. Below the capacitor is the oscillate. You see, this is the oscillate. Now separate the capacitor from the oscillator. This is only requires loosening one screw. This is the starting capacitor. Now start to disassemble the oscillator. Only need to remove 3 screws. At this time, be careful not to let the screwdriver damage the motor coil. Some friends ask me why after his electric fan was repaired only one button was left to run the motor and the other buttons are disabled. In fact, this is because the motor coil was damaged during the repair process. So we have to be very careful in this step. It is not difficult to dismantle this. It's this tough. If the internal gear is worn, it will not work properly. If you can buy this kind of a metal oscillator, it will be more durable. The Taiwan version of the oscillator is quadrilateral. In China, the round version is used, and there is no way to install that directly. Is this kind of a circular oscillator? There is no way to install it directly. Install this needs to modify the electric fan. By this one can use it directly on the fan made in Taiwan. So pay attention to the corresponding model when buying. Install it now. It should be back to normal after installation. Actually, it's very easy to install this. This session was almost shot to the end without editing. Home appliances such as electric fans and gas stoves, which simple structures are often more difficult to disassemble than install because of rusty screws. So removing the screws requires more skill than installation. Now install the fixed screws over the starting capacitor. In fact, I have another electric fan with a damaged coil. I have been hesitant to repair the motor. However, for the price of an electric fan, maintenance is just a pressure. Pay attention to this part. This is the linkage rod. These two screws must be tightened. Otherwise, the fan will still not work properly. Then install the case and we are done. In fact, there is only one screw. Finally, plug in the bolt and it's done. In fact, this job is very simple and quickly completed. Let's try it now. Check if it's repaired. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to PyroKing Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.